Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance consequence. The song is Katali, the artist is Sam One, and the choreography is Jamie Gee and Chris Blues. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll pin it at the end of this video. Here we go. And there you go, guys. Consequence. It's a great workout. Like I said, I'll pin it at the end of the video. Also, make sure you check out Chris Blues Instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.